Hey there! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your go-to space for beautiful, livable home inspiration. Today, we're stepping into one of my absolute favorite design territories, a light and airy farmhouse dressed in the most gorgeous natural textures, perfectly styled for peak summer. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You won't want to miss a single video. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you a farmhouse lover? Let's dive in. Before you even step inside, the farmhouse exterior sets the entire mood. Think crisp white board and batten siding paired with weathered natural wood accents. That contrast is pure magic. A steep gabled roofline brings that iconic farmhouse silhouette, while black-framed windows add sharp definition. For summer, layer in overflowing window boxes filled with white hydrangeas and trailing greenery. A classic covered front porch with simple wooden columns completes the picture. The key is clean lines softened by organic, lived-in texture. Effortless, yet completely intentional. Your entryway is the handshake of your home. It needs to be warm, purposeful, and beautiful all at once. Start with a shiplap paneled wall in soft white as your anchor. Mount a rustic wooden peg rail for hanging sun hats, linen tote bags, and lightweight summer coats. Add a slim built-in bench upholstered in a natural linen blend for easy shoe changes. Below, a woven seagrass basket corrals sandals and slip-ons. A simple rectangular mirror with a raw wood frame bounces light beautifully. Finish with a jute doormat and a single potted fern. Now let's talk about those finishing details that truly bring an entryway to life. A small shoe cabinet in whitewashed oak keeps things organized without visual clutter. Choose one with a slim profile and minimal hardware. Above it, hang a curated gallery of black and white botanical prints in thin black frames. A small ceramic dish near the door holds keys beautifully. For summer, swap heavy reeds for a bundle of dried lavender tied with cotton twine. These intentional little moments transform a pass-through space into one that feels genuinely curated and completely yours. Walk into the living room and immediately feel that exhale. This is a space designed to breathe. Anchor the room with a large natural jute rug over whitewashed hardwood floors. Choose a deep, linen slip-covered sofa in warm oatmeal tones. Slip-covered furniture is a farmhouse staple because it's beautiful and practical. Layer chunky cotton throw blankets and linen cushions in soft sage, cream, and warm terracotta. A reclaimed wood coffee table adds earthiness. For summer, bring in a tall ceramic vase filled with pampas grass or dried wheat stems. Keep it relaxed, layered, and breathable. The secret to that light-filled farmhouse living room is intentional restraint. Hang floor-to-ceiling linen or cotton gauze curtains in an off-white shade. They filter summer light into something that feels golden and dreamy. Keep your color palette grounded in nature. Creams, warm whites, soft greens, and earthy browns. Introduce texture through a woven rattan side table, a macrame wall hanging, or a reclaimed wood shelf styled with river stones and candles. Avoid overfilling the space. Negative space is your friend here. Let every piece breathe, and the room will feel endlessly calm and beautiful. The farmhouse dining room is where life truly happens. Conversations, meals, laughter. Center the space around a long, solid wood dining table with a live-edge finish or visible grain. This is your showstopper piece. Surround it with mix-and-match seating, a wooden bench on one side, linen cushioned chairs on the other. Hang a statement rattan or woven pendant light overhead for warm, ambient glow. For summer table decor, layer a linen runner down the center, add mismatched terracotta pots with herbs, and scatter simple glass bud vases with wildflowers. Effortlessly beautiful and completely inviting. A beautiful tablescape doesn't need to be complicated. It needs to feel alive. Start with a textured linen tablecloth or a washed cotton runner in a soft stripe. Build a centerpiece using varying heights: a tall glass cloche, a low wooden bowl filled with lemons or green apples, and a cluster of beeswax taper candles in natural holders. Linen napkins folded simply, tied with a sprig of fresh rosemary or eucalyptus, add that thoughtful editorial touch. Use stoneware plates in matte cream or soft sage. Every meal should feel like a gentle celebration. A farmhouse kitchen is where warmth and function live side by side in perfect harmony. Choose shaker-style cabinets painted in a soft warm white or a muted sage green. These styles are defined by their clean, recessed panel doors that feel simple yet refined. Pair them with unlacquered brass hardware for that lived-in, slightly aged warmth. Open shelving in reclaimed wood adds personality and keeps essentials within easy reach. A classic farmhouse apron front sink is non-negotiable. It's the soul of this kitchen style. Subway tile in a handmade, slightly irregular finish works beautifully as a backsplash. Your appliances can absolutely play into the farmhouse aesthetic. Choose a matte black or panel-ready refrigerator that blends seamlessly with cabinetry. A vintage-inspired range in cream or soft black brings so much personality. Brands like Smeg or ILV nail that retro farmhouse crossover beautifully. On the counter, a small matte black or brushed copper espresso or drip coffee machine adds function and style. Style the counter around it with a ceramic utensil crock, a small cutting board leaned against the wall, and a potted herb in a terracotta pot. Purposeful and picture-perfect. The farmhouse family room needs to work hard and feel effortless at the same time. Ground the space with a large sectional in a performance fabric, something that handles real family life while still looking gorgeous. Choose a warm neutral like oat, stone, or soft gray. Mount a flat-screen TV on a shiplap accent wall. The texture softens the technology beautifully. Flank it with floating reclaimed wood shelves styled with candles, baskets, and a trailing pothose plant. A large woven ottoman doubles as a coffee table. Layer rugs for depth and add a chunky knit throw for those cooler summer evenings. In modern farmhouse living, every square foot needs to earn its place. Tuck a small home office nook into an unused corner or alcove. A slim, handcrafted wooden desk in white oak is ideal. Keep the surface curated. A small vintage-style desk clock with a leather strap, a tiny analog radio in a wooden or metal casing for soft background music, and a simple ceramic pen holder. For the reading nook nearby, install a built-in window seat with linen cushions and a low floating shelf filled with your favorite books. One space, two beautiful purposes. The magic of a reading nook lies in its intimacy. Make it feel like a personal retreat. Layer the window seat with a variety of cushion sizes in coordinating linen fabrics. Add a small adjustable arc lamp for focused reading light. A wooden footstool or small rattan poof adds flexibility. For the office corner, pin a small linen memo board above the desk for notes and inspiration. Choose a pendant light directly above the workspace rather than relying on overhead lighting. It defines the zone and creates beautiful ambience. Small, intentional, and completely functional. The farmhouse bedroom should feel like the deepest exhale of your day. Start with a stunning wooden bed frame, a simple platform style in natural oak or a classic spindle headboard in white painted would both work beautifully. Dress the bed in layers of 100% cotton or linen bedding in soft whites, warm creams, and the palest sage. A chunky knit throw draped at the foot adds irresistible texture. Nightstands in whitewashed would hold ceramic lamps with linen shades. For summer, swap heavier curtains for lightweight linen panels that let the morning light filter through gently. Pure serenity. Bedroom accessories in a farmhouse space should feel unhurried and deeply personal. Layer a natural jute or wool rug beside the bed. Stepping onto softness each morning is such a small luxury. A vintage-style wooden tray on the nightstand corrals a candle, a small vase of garden stems, and a book. Hang a simple wreath of dried botanicals above the headboard instead of traditional art. It's unexpected and so beautifully textural. A woven laundry basket and a reclaimed wood bench at the foot of the bed add both function and warmth. Calm, cohesive, and completely restful. The farmhouse bathroom blends spa-like serenity with rustic warmth in the most beautiful way. Choose a walk-in shower with white subway tile and matte black fixtures. That contrast is endlessly elegant. A rainfall showerhead adds that luxurious, sensory experience. For the vanity or waste-to-foul, opt for a vessel sink in white ceramic or concrete sitting atop a reclaimed wood or shaker-style vanity in warm white. Install an oversized round mirror with a thin wooden or black iron frame. Open shelving beside the vanity displays rolled linen towels, glass apothecary jars, and fresh eucalyptus. Effortlessly spa-like. The garage rarely gets design attention, but in a true farmhouse home, even this space deserves intention. Paint the garage floor in a durable light gray epoxy finish to brighten the space immediately. Install wall-mounted pegboards in natural wood for organized tool storage, everything visible and within reach. Choose a classic carriage-style garage door in white with black iron hardware for that perfect farmhouse exterior continuation. Add open shelving along one wall for storage baskets, labeled in hand-lettered linen tags. A single-hanging industrial pendant light transforms the atmosphere completely. Functional, organized, and genuinely charming. Step outside onto the farmhouse patio and feel summer at its most beautiful. Lay a large outdoor rug in a natural fiber or weather-resistant jute look, weave to anchor the space. Choose weather-resistant furniture in teak or powder-coated matte black metal, dressed with outdoor linen cushions in warm whites and soft clay tones. A wooden dining table with a simple centerpiece of potted herbs and pillar candles creates the perfect al fresco dining moment. String warm Edison bulb lights overhead for evening magic. Potted lavender, rosemary, and white geraniums in terracotta pots complete this dreamy summer outdoor sanctuary. Everything we've explored today follows a few core principles worth remembering. First, honor natural materials. Wood, linen, jute, cotton, and stone are your foundation. Second, embrace a restrained palette of creams, whites, warm neutrals, and soft nature-inspired greens. Third, layer texture deliberately. It's what gives this style its incredible depth without relying on color. Fourth, balance function with beauty in every single room. And fifth, let light lead. Maximize natural light and choose warm artificial sources to complement it. When these principles guide your choices, every space feels cohesive, calm, and deeply livable. And that's a wrap on our beautiful journey through a light and airy farmhouse styled for the peak of summer, from that stunning facade all the way to the dreamy patio. I hope this video has sparked something in you. Maybe a small change, maybe a full room transformation. Either way, you've got this. If you found value here today, please give this video a thumbs up. It truly means the world and helps more people discover this channel. Drop your favorite room in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. See you in the next one.